Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and page. My people, I don't carry another ogbonge gist come o. Hey. Now the same Regina Daniel matter we still dey o. Regina Daniel don dey suffer this time around because Ned Nwoko is out to put film for you. This one na super story. You know say when person decide to put film for you and that film come dey tough, wahala go come dey for your life, my people. Anyway guys, before we proceed, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. My people, thank you so much for always supporting this brand. Thank you for always being part of this channel. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you, both the bad ones, the good one, the ugly one, all of them. I really appreciate all of them. My God will bless you for me. My prayers for you is that you own no go lost at all. You no go get matter with your family. No go get issue wey go make your husband say he no go give you your children. Like it happen for Regina Daniel's own. God is going to always protect you and give you a beautiful family. So guys, according to the alleged information that Regina Daniel's husband don't come out to say that Regina Daniel is not going to collect her children with his reasons. But before we say the reasons, do you notice that Laila doesn't dress anyhow in this their marriage? Do you always watch Laila? Do you always watch Ned Nwoko's children? Both the one he have from Regina and the ones Laila have for him and the other children. Do you always notice that they always dress neat and decent? But Regina Daniel sometimes doesn't dress like that, even though she's a mother. But some people will be like, what's wrong with her dressing? She's a model. She's this, she's that. People look up to her. They want her to wear Mboeke clothes. Anyway, we never wanted her to wear Mboeke clothes. Just that what Ned Nwoko is complaining about her, if you look at it very well, it could be like saying her true. Like she cannot be able to take care of these her children because of some kind of life she's living. Ned Nwoko, as the matter don't go to court, because we thought that Reggie was playing all this time. But now we have heard that Regina Daniel is so mean and serious. Like she said that she's not doing again. And this is the only time for her to free herself. Anyway, my correct people, wetin dey happen? Ned Nwoko talk say, number one, Regina Daniel no dey dress well. Even though he never complain of it to Regina. But me, I will blame Ned for any kind of dressing that Regina dress after marrying him. Because we know that Regina Daniel is a big time celebrity. Even if she wear only panty, people go dey hail her. She's fine, she's beautiful, she get money, she did this, she do that. You see? But is it not left for Ned to tell Regina that, see this particular one wey you wear today, abeg, I no like am. Because as per say you don marry her, she now belongs to you, na your property wey she be. You paid her bride price, na you dey marry her. You get right to tell am say, this one today no good. But Ned Nwoko did not talk to Regina Daniel about her dressing. Okay, we also heard that Regina Daniel used to take she used to take drug, like she smokes, allegedly. Of course, I have seen her in a movie where she takes it. Ned Nwoko, I have not heard that Ned Nwoko have come out for once. Unless they are doing that one inside house. They not come out to tell us, say, Ned don't complain about this one. But as we are hearing, Ned have not said or complained anything about Regina Daniel's dressing and the way she lives some of her lifestyles and all of that. Is it now that they have issue? And that is why I said in the other video that Secrets will not be revealed if there is no problem in the family. It's only when there is problem, when there is no peace, when there is no unity, when there is no understanding again, when the woman want to show the man that I know you, oh, I can deal with you, the man would want to also show the woman that look at you, you cannot do anything. That is when secrets will be revealed. You see? So my correct people, according to what we are hearing, oh, Ned Nwoko told Regina that told the court when Regina was demanding for the custody of her children that Regina cannot take care of these children. Number one, that she smokes. Number two, she doesn't dress well. Number three, that she doesn't have self-control. Hey, hey, my correct people. When they were asking, Ned, why are you saying this thing? Why are you speaking this way? Ned won't come break the secret. Come break the coconut head oh. Make we see wetin dey inside the coconut. Ned start saying that the time Regina Daniel acquired her degree, that she traveled to London. That when she got to the London, I don't know whether they use monitoring mirror, they monitor her. Because I was also surprised for him to start saying that thing. That time that Regina Daniel came back with her certificate, all of them they were happy for her. Even though we the online in-law never knew that she have such program that she was running. People celebrated her then. People held her. People were like, Regina Daniel, you are a brilliant woman. You get it. You are intelligent. Look at I thought that you are just busy spending your husband money, not knowing that you have used the money to help yourself. So Ned Nwoko was like, that time she traveled to London, that she went there and she started living her life the way she want. That she was traveling from one country to the other, celebrating that she acquired her degree in is it psychology. That during that time that she did kerewa with another man wey no be her husband. My correct people, I don't know how true this one is oh, because it's an alleged information. But I was like, Ned Nwoko put Regina to swear that, in short, he put her into having an oath that she will never do such a thing. That if such a thing ever happen, that Regina Daniel would either Regina Daniel would run mad, I be the person wey crosses her will buy. And we have not heard that anybody run mad and anybody buy. And people are like, Ned, are you just saying this in just to deny this girl access to her children? Don't forget that these children are still very tender. Anyway, as long as the case is in court and the court doesn't consider what Ned is saying, they are going to give Regina Daniel her children. Regina Daniel said it that these children are everything she have. Her word is these children. And we all know that a mother who truly loves herself and the children can never leave her children to be raised by another woman. So she said that she must collect her children, oh, whether Ned Nwoko like it or not. These children are going to come back to her. My people, kasala don burst. Now the thing when Ned come say this thing, people were like, wow, Regina, if you do this kind thing, you no do well oh. One thing about us with the online law is that we must say the truth oh. You must always tell the person that is at fault that you are at fault. As for Ned complain that Regina Daniel is not dressing well, Ned, you are the one that caused it, number one. As for Regina Daniel, when you talk say she went there and do something, what she did, if it is true that she did it, she did not do well. But you need to consider her by giving her children. Let her go and raise her children. The children still belongs to you. You can be coming to see the children. Anyway, guys, I don't know what you have to say in this particular matter. If you ask me, these children are still very tender. For Ned that doesn't have chance, Ned that goes from one meeting to the other to start raising children. Another one goes maltreat these children now. That one is certain. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for always watching. Please do want to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.